Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to use your Xiaomi steam iron, making your clothes look crisp and fresh. First, carefully unbox your new steam iron and familiarize yourself with its parts, like the water tank and base. Place the iron firmly on its designated base on a stable surface. Then, simply plug the power cord into an appropriate electrical outlet. Always ensure the iron is switched off before you begin adding water for safety. Now, let's get your iron ready for steaming. Gently remove the water tank by rotating it counterclockwise and lifting it. Fill the tank with purified water, which helps prevent mineral buildup, up to the indicated maximum level. Securely reattach the tank by aligning and rotating it clockwise until you hear a click. Power on the iron. It heats up incredibly fast in about 30 seconds. The indicator light will blink white while heating, then turn steady white when ready to use. With your iron heated, you're ready to tackle wrinkles. You can use your Xiaomi steam iron in two versatile ways, vertically for hanging clothes or horizontally on an ironing board. Press the steam button for a steady flow of steam. For those extra stubborn creases or thicker materials, engage the steam boost button. Remember to move the iron smoothly across fabrics, especially delicate ones, to achieve perfectly smooth results without any damage. The ceramic sole plate provides excellent heat distribution. Proper care ensures your Xiaomi steam iron lasts a long time. After each use, always unplug the iron and let it cool down completely, which usually takes about 1 hour. Remove the water tank and empty any leftover water to prevent mineral deposits. Gently wipe the sole plate with a soft, damp cloth to keep the steam holes clear. For long-term maintenance, regularly rinse the water tank to descale it. Finally, store your cooled iron safely on its base in a dry spot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.